Might as well keep the flash on. So you're not gonna crash it, right?
Probably not.
Probably.
Probably not. No, probably not. It's an SUV. You know, we got this shit. We should be on.
If you drive decent, I'll put it in track mode.
Oh my god, I forgot I was supposed to not drive on Twitch. I'm gonna drive safe, you know, follow all the rules and guidelines out here.
As you should.
Nah,
You only live once, but at the same time, you gotta live right.
type shit. Oh. Where's it? How do I paddle shift? Just let me do it.
Honestly, yeah, do low key.
Shit, hard to see that.
Yeah, it's dark as shit out here.
Oh my god. This is paddle shifting disabled.
I don't know why. I barely use that. Shit. I barely use that shit. Alright, look, I just put in track for you.
Guys, I'm staying very, very slow out here. I'm not trying to go over the speed limit.
What's the speed limit though?
Probably like 40, but it's like I'm going 30, not even 30. Don't want to get banned again.
So is there a rule against certain speeds? Like speed limit that's a ban?
No, I'm just trying to be, be extra cautious when it comes to the, driving and stuff.
Family friendly, so
Definitely no chat. I do have my seatbelt on, guys. It's right here. Just so you know, it wasn't off. It's on.
so we could be safe.
Of course, it was on. It was just behind my shoulder. I'm gonna make a little U-turn. How much horsepower does this have?
500.
Shit sounds so loud as fuck too.
You fuck with her?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I do. I like it. It sounds so good.
You got a Mopar? Any type of muscle car?
Not really.
Damn. Why not?
I don't know. But a black SUV count like a Escalade V or no? So
You gotta get you like a
I don't have that.
Hellcat.
I'm just saying, like, I want to get one of those. But I was wondering if that counts. So that shit's fucking SUV loud as shit.
You gotta get you like a Hellcat or a Trackhawk.
Yeah. I like my Urus. I feel like that's
It's faster, but it's like you're not gonna have the same fun in the Urus that you would in the Hellcat.
You think?
Yeah, like Uruses are faster, but Hellcats are just fun. Like they're ignorant. Like
Yeah.
you can't get too ignorant in the Lambo, but you can be ignorant in the Hellcat.
Yeah, facts. Here we are, guys, back at the house. I did not go over the speed limit one time. That was most.
Yeah, I would say.
Wink, wink.